Okay, so in this video, I'm going to talk about what you will be learning at my one-day CelebrityLash Foundation Workshop. You will receive a full day's training. We start at 10 o'clock and we finish just after 6 with lunch provided. You'll receive a training kit valued at $700 and you can actually find out what's in it in one of my other videos. You'll get lifetime access to the PowerPoint that I use during class, as well as a training manual and other useful documents that we have in the Dropbox for you so you can refer back to after your training. You will also receive a certificate of attendance, and you can actually earn a second certificate with us by sending through your case studies, and that certificate is for excellence to show that you have a good standard of work. We do provide you with lifetime support, so you can contact us anytime via email, call us, or social media after your class if you have any questions. Okay, so what will you be learning on the day? So in the morning, between 10 to around 12, we'll go through a PowerPoint, which for me to show you what you need to do, what you must do, and what you must not do. I will teach you the different types of lashes available, the different types of applications, so you can actually feel the different types of lashes on the market, so you can differentiate the differences between the thinner ones and the thicker ones and why they're not suitable for your client. I will teach you safe application, how to work out the correct sizes, how the eyelash glues work. So once you have the basic theory, then we can move on to more the fun stuff. So we can then set up your tile and you can start applying lashes on a sponge, and then we move on to a mannequin. So after that, we'll have lunch, and then when we come back, you'll start doing your life model at around 2 o'clock. So I will start by doing a demonstration. So I'll show you the process of setting up, prepping your client, putting iPads on, applying lashes, and then you will start doing the same on your model. During the time, I will go around and just check everyone's posture, setup, whether you're holding your tweezers correctly, or hey, maybe you can try this, or maybe you can try that, because everyone's very different. We do try to keep between 5 to 7 in each class, so there's plenty of one-on-one time. And then later in the day, around 4 o'clock, then I will then again go around to each and every one of you, and I will show you in person how to do 2D lashes and hybrid lashes using pre-made fans. And then we'll finish around 5:30 with the models, and then we'll get back together around the table, and then we'll go through some basic consultations, and then we finish the day with a removal. So we'll wrap up just after 6, so we'll finish probably around anytime between 6:15 to 6:30. So with the certificate of attendance, you will receive within the next 4 weeks, because we need to print your name on it and get it sent out to you from the printer. So that is what we do in class, and we do run our classes every third Sunday, and we do sometimes alternate between the different courses as well, so it's not always the same foundation workshop every third Sunday. And I always recommend our clients to do this, our students to do this course first. And then once you get confident with your classic lashes, then you can come back in a few months and either do an intermediate classic, or you might want to move to volume. I know there are I will say a lot, but I know there are some courses out there where they teach you classic and volume in like 2 to 3 days, like a 2 or 3 day block. Personally, from what I've seen from training my salon staff and students, I personally do feel that you'll get a lot more out of it if you give it some time in between, so you can go away and practice and just really get used to knowing how to apply lashes first, because when we do volume, you need to learn how to use your hands a lot more precisely than classic. So I think it would benefit you a lot more if you complete your foundation workshop and make sure you've got a few months of experience, so when you come back you actually get more out of it, and you do come back with more questions as well. So yeah, so that's really it. So if you got any other questions, feel free to contact me in this website, whichever one that you're actually watching this video, or you can message me on www.eyelashextensions.co.nz and you can do a live chat with me. All right, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.